Good morning, student. Good morning, madam. We are studying about the kingdom Animalia. Means all the animals which is present on our earth, they are divided as per their characteristics into the 10 phylum. Everybody you know?
Yes.
The phylum Porifera, 2 phylum Annelida. Today we are studying about the phylum Porifera. Already we have seen in my last lecture. So, you know what is the characteristics of phylum Porifera? You know? Anyone can tell me? हाँ बताओ बेटा. Means Porifera. Porifera means the organisms on their body wears pores. जो organism उनके body पे pores है. They all organisms are included in the phylum Porifera. Sit down. They are sedentary. Sedentary means they are attached to the substratum. And all the animals from the phylum Porifera, they are marine water animal. Got it?
Yes.
Cycon. We have seen the cycon. They have a small beer, small pores. The pores is called ostia, and the upper side have a large skull. It is called as osculum. Got it? सबको समझ में आ गया बेटा phylum Porifera?
Yes.
Next phylum is the phylum Coelenterata. Coelenterata means the organism like a sac. You keep it in your mind. Porifera means the organism have a pores. Coelenterata means the organisms, their body have a sac-like structure. The organism is also marine water. Some are in the freshwater animals. Their body is a bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means radial symmetry. Their body have a radially symmetry. Radially symmetry means whenever we take the section, means centrally we cut, the body is divided into 2 equal halves. Got it? Radially symmetry means like that. See, this is a circle. Any side we can divide it into the 2 parts. This is called as the radially symmetry. Their body bears the tentacles. With the help of tentacles, flagella, cilia, they can move from one place to another place. Understood?
Yes.
Then Coelenterata, Stenophora. Coelenterata means their body have a colon. पता है आपको colon? Body cavity. Got it? Stenophora. They are also marine water animals. They are flat animals. Means they are their body also radially symmetry. They have diploblastic. Diploblastic means what? They can move. Diploblastic means not a movement, beta. Their body wears a 2 layer, ectoderms and endoderms. Triploblastic means 3 layers, ectoderms, mesoderms and endoderms. Understood what is the Stenophora? Stenophora animals, they are marine water, diploblastic, their body is a radially symmetry and no colon. See, colon means body cavity. Body cavity means, see, in the last lecture also I explained body cavity means we have a body cavity.
Yes.
Some organs which is present internally like lungs, heart, brain, means the cavity which is accumulate the organs. This is called as the colon. But the Stenophora, they have a no lack of colon. Means the Stenophora phylum में जो भी organism है उनको body cavity है क्या?
नहीं.
समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Everybody got it? The 3 phylum. Today we are going to start the new phylum Platyhelminths. Platyhelminths means the flat worms. You know worms? Means all flat worms are included in the phylum Platyhelminths. They are a flat, ribbon-like, leaf-like structure. The organisms from phylum Platyhelminths, they have a flat. You know flat?
Yes.
Flat. They have a leaf-like structure. Their body have a leaf-like structure, ribbon-like structure. The organism have a organ system. Organ system means what? See, we have a head, thorax, abdomen region. So the organism have a organ system like eyes, head. Means the organisms from the phylum Platyhelminths, they have a organ system. Means उनको eyes है, mouth है. See, abdomen, like that means their body have a organ system. Means in before the 3 phylums we have seen the animals, they have no organ system. आपने देखा ना बेटा ये 3 जो phylum थे, proper organ थे उनको? नहीं. Their body is sac-like, pores, rock-like body, otherwise cylindrical body, flat body. They have no organs. We have organs: head, thorax, abdomen. So the phylum Platyhelminths means the organism from the phylum Platyhelminths, they have a organ system. Their body is a leaf-like structure, ribbon-like structure. They have given some example: liver fluke, tapeworms. Their body is a bilateral symmetry. You know what is mean by bilateral symmetry?
Yes.
Anyone can tell me? No. 10 times I told bilateral means our body is a bilateral symmetry. Means when we cut the vertically, when we cut the vertical section, the body is divided into the 2 halves. Means we have a 2 hand, 2 eyes, 2 ears. When we take the cross section, vertical section, the body is divided into 2 equal halves. Understood?
Yes.
Means see what the characters we have seen in the phylum Platyhelminths. First, the organisms are a bilateral symmetry. The organisms means flat dorsoventrally, dorsal ventrally. They are a flat. देखो बेटा, again I will revise it. The organisms are flat dorsoventrally. Their body is the bilateral symmetry. Their structure is a leaf-like structure, ribbon-like structure. Most of the organisms are parasites. ये जो सारे organisms होते हैं, most of the organisms are parasites. You know parasites means what? Do you know? You don't know parasites? You don't know host? Parasites means the organisms which depends on another organisms for nutrition. ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म बेटा जो खुद न्यूट्रिशन सब लेते नहीं, वो क्या करते हैं, जो अनदर ऑर्गेनिज्म से उनके बॉडी पे डिपेंड होते हैं. दे कैन सक द न्यूट्रिएंट फ्रॉम द होस्ट. मीन्स सी सम प्लांट, ऑर्गेनिज्म के बारे में लेंगे. मॉस्किटो इज अ पैरासाइट. ही कैनॉट टेक द फूड, he cannot digest the food and take the nutrient from the food. He just suck the blood from our body and take the nutrition directly from the body, directly from the blood. What it means? We are a host. And the mosquito is a parasite because the mosquito is depend us for a nutrition. Parasite means ऐसे animal बेटा, they depends of another organism for their nutrition. समझ में आ गया पैरासाइट्स क्या होते हैं? पैरासाइट्स मीन्स ऐसे एनिमल जो खुद का फूड नहीं लेते, ना तो वो फूड डाइजेस्ट करते हैं. दे डायरेक्टली टेक द न्यूट्रिएंट फ्रॉम अनदर ऑर्गेनिज्म. जो अनदर ऑर्गेनिज्म पे डिपेंड होते हैं, द ऑर्गेनिज्म इज कॉल्ड एज अ होस्ट. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
Parasites means the organisms which depend on the another organism for nutrition is called as a parasites. Understood?
Yes.
And those organisms depend, parasites is the host. Means see, mosquito is a parasites and we are a host. Same many another organisms, they are parasites of another. Like some worms which is living in our body. Some worms are living on the cow's body, another animal's body. They just suck the nutrient from that organisms. समझ में आ गया? Means the organisms from the phylum Platyhelminths, most of the parasites. Understood? जो भी small parasites होते हैं वो सारे किसमें include है? Phylum Platyhelminths. Means now we are studying Phylum Porifera, Coleodontata, Stenophora, Platyhelminths. Means हम सारे जो worms जो स्मॉल एनिमल्स थे उसके बारे में स्टडी कर रही थी. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
You know, millions of different organisms are on the earth. As per the characteristics, we are divided. Means we have seen the phylum Platyhelminths. Platyhelminths, what is the characteristics? The organisms are flat.
They
They have a leaf-like